to the Yo Kill Crew. Today's a very special episode. We are going to have a coffee chat as we take this picnic table down to the mouth of Canoose that we purchased and sponsored, so that there'll be a second one down there. So should be a fun day. Very exciting. We got an awesome group of people with us. Over there, we got the boss, Minnie. This guy knows things, Captain Bagel. I am the real rookie. With the camera right now is Missed My Phone, and of course, you. I'm just grabbing some footage of me just driving along here, following this Canoose thing. Boss Minnie's up there, and Captain Bagel's in the back, trying to make sure we keep a close eye on everybody, make sure everyone's safe as we're having fun.
This looks like it's bumpy. Yep.
Oh.
It is really wobbly today. We're good. No disasters. Should have tried to escape. All right. Over the air. Yep. Woo! That wasn't bad. Nope, not bad. Oh, go right to that rock. Oh! Oh no, the wheel was up this. Oh! We almost just lost Sarah. It's okay, Amanda should save me with my foot. Oh! Shit. Do you remember in rugby we used to do those pull-ups with our legs together? Yeah, with the feet. Maybe we should do that right now. I'm too scared. She's gonna grab my legs and then shove me over. Wasn't ready for that one. It's kind of nice that they made finger spacers. I know. They fit perfect. There's a jump coming up. Oh yeah, we're going everywhere. Oh, that was the axle.
arriving at, oh shit. Okay. I thought for sure you guys were gonna get high and dry. We're arriving at the mouth of Canoose. I'm literally hitting the brakes and it's just not slowing down. Yeah, the problem is there's nothing I can do in here. We're gonna hit this big rock. Actually, you guys might miss it. I'm gonna hit it. And we have arrived at the mouth of Canoose. And there's the there's the picnic table that the ATV Club put in, and we're going to set up ours over here as well. All right, everybody made it. The trailer made it. Everybody's healthy. We're good. We did it. Somebody spilled coffee all over this.
I don't know who that was.
Who would have done that? So much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We had a fun little day just getting it out there. We took it very slow. We tried because we didn't want anyone to get hurt or anything. So now there's 2 picnic tables out at the mouth of Canoose. I hope everybody enjoys it, and we are looking for an opportunity to do it again next year. So if you can think of a location that a picnic table would be really great at for ATVers, just let us know. Because we are definitely interested in trying to put more of these out and around and available to the ATV community.